This is Mr. Upstate.
I'm the Almighty Schizo.
And we are the Upstate Cats.
What time is it? 5, 4, 3.
Well, first of all, I was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston 11 off of Walton Park Road, so you don't know. Yeah. And then, you know, from there, moved up to upstate, a place called The Rock, New York City. You know, well, New York State. So yeah, that's how we connected. You know what I mean? And, yo, you grew up around.
Yeah, no doubt. Listen, man, I'm the hip hop in the reggae. So, but yeah, I grew up. My best friends, my family, my brother here. You know, I grew up in the culture. I respect the culture, and it's only right because we are a hip hop reggae group, and hip hop was birthed out of reggae. So. Always connected, all the way through,
Yeah, because we know about the ackee and saltfish and the porridge.
Man, we love porridge. I love it.
Yeah, you know about all of that. So, you know, yeah, Upstate Cats, that's how we came about. Man.
Yeah, no doubt.
And the reggae is the reggae.
Why not go wrong? Why not go wrong? Why not go wrong? Why not circle?
It's called Rolex Wine. It's through VPAL Music or VP Records, the mighty reggae label, the biggest reggae label in the world. VP Records, but we're distributed through VPAL Music. And how we kind of came up with the record Rolex Wine. Number one, big shout out to Sly and Robbie.
Oh yeah,
big shout out to Sly and Robbie, because our song is the reincarnation of Murder, She Wrote. And the beautiful thing is we got the blessing directly from Sly himself to use this rhythm for our hit single, Rolex Wine. Right now it's doing this thing. We got the official video on Vivo and YouTube, and right now we had over 14,000 views after debuting this weekend, after 3 weeks of debuting. So it's steadily growing, and we making it happen. And how we come up with Rolex Wine?
Well, Rolex Wine, the reggae music today is kind of harsh, you know?
Yeah,
especially on the ladies, because after seeing people jumping off a speaker box and, you know, weave and hair fly off, I wanted to bring it back to the days where you can actually interact with the individual that you're dancing with, you know, and bring back the art to the reggae and the vibes back to the reggae. So we wanted something classic, you know, and something that's timeless. And the only thing, you know, in our minds, like when you go back to the 90s and the early 2000s, that classic vibration. And so the timing of everything, where we at, we feel was perfect. So that's why we brought back in Rolex, and that's the classic piece. So Rolex, that's how I was born, and the wine is just what women do.
Yeah, that's right, man. And you know, it's very interesting to see people respond to this record when we perform it. It's dope. Like right now, we just coming off the road right now. We just rocked out in Boston at the Boston Jerk Fest, and we're preparing for the almighty Jerk Fest in Queens, New York. You know, Roy Wilkins Park with VP Records.
Jamaican Jerk Festival.
Yeah, it's gonna be huge. But and just so everyone knows, we both are the original writers and composers of Rolex Wine. But like I said, Sly and Robbie, they gave us the blessing to use that rhythm from Murder, She Wrote that they did for Shaka Demus and Pliers, and now we resurrected it, and we just making it happen with that, you know. So get to know us, man. Get to know us. Check out our tags. You know, go check us out on VPAL Music, ucmusiconline.com. You can Google us. We're the only ones that come up when you Google the Upstate Cats. And
say that again. Tell them again.
The Upstate Cats. You know what I'm saying? I'm Mr. Upstate,
and I'm the Almighty Schizo.